Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the dam. Yeah, Jean-Claude Van Damme. See what I did there? Yeah, today I want to praat with you about fishing. Like back in the day, the Gekoi tribe used to call it fishing. Yeah, now I've got a couple of crazy chommies there in Zimbabwe, Zimbabweans. They call themselves the Valley Brigade. You know, like the veld tacky. Like a valleys. Look at those Wednesday legs. Where's they going to break? Yeah, these oaks are crazy. You can see by their logo. You can sit in a tree there, catch fish there, and drink beer the whole day, all at the same time. Yeah. Well, you know, there's a big fishing competition up in Zimbabwe, ne? It's the biggest in Africa. Okay, people go bloody mal. There's about 200 bootjies that go out in the water over there, and they one of them. Yeah, it's called the KITFT, Kariba International Tiger Fishing Tournament. Yeah, they don't catch barber and bass like your ass. They catch tigerfish. Yeah, you know the thing with the groot tande? Yeah, groot competition. And these oaks are mal. They wake up in the middle of the morning over there, 4 o'clock. They drive around without lights, just a GPS, just to go get their bait there. Called kapenta, sulke klein vissies. Yeah, doesn't matter. And they spend about the whole day on the water, traveling 200 kilometers a day there, in and out there, racing with speedboats. Trying to catch the biggest tiger fish. Yeah. At least these guys are sponsored by some lekker oaks there. Capri to keep the dop coat. Yeah. Nova Feed Animal Feeds also joined the party over there. They feed the cows and the chickens and the varkies. They provide the steakie and the choppie there to Koala Park. Yeah, om 'n choppie te tan. Agricon is also there. They supply the pullers, the trackers that bring the feed up and down to the cows and the piggies. Store a tank to keep the animals bloody water. And obviously the boys need something to keep the throat moist. Is that word again? Or just to wash down the little choppy or steakie. Even though we are big, hairy, strong men, sometimes we need a little bit of help. And no one else can give it to us but the oaks from Shitty Art. Right, boys, time to pull yourself towards yourself there, okay? You need to start up that Suzuki motorkie, hook it on your canoe and go out onto the water over there. Bring home the big one. Tommy, Moose, Right Wing, Ruffle, en julle ander chommy. Yeah, you got this, okay? I'm backing you all the way. Gaan groot and bring home that huge bloody vissie with a tande. Yeah, just think of it. You can go driving home in a Isuzu bakkie. Yeah, be safe and good luck. Okay, thanks.